Let's talk about cleaning and sanitizing to prevent cross-contamination in your cooking area. Cleaning and sanitizing are a little different but hold equal and critical importance when working at Biz Eats. Cleaning and sanitizing a surface removes filth and bacteria and is critical to preventing foodborne illness caused by cross-contamination. So, when should you clean and sanitize food prep surfaces? The answers are when working with raw meat, when switching from one food to another, when switching tasks, after a break, and after 4 hours of use. Within 4 hours, foodborne bacteria can multiply exponentially. Always clean and sanitize surfaces anytime you think that food contact surfaces have become contaminated. When sanitizing, use either chemicals or very hot water to kill pathogens that remain after cleaning. When you're done sanitizing, items must be air dried. We don't want to recontaminate them by drying them with a cloth or paper towel. By using these methods, you're keeping our customers and our company safe from foodborne illness. If you notice employees who aren't cleaning and sanitizing safely, have them review these instructions to maintain a safe workplace.